Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to send multiple snaps on Snapchat on iPhone. So it's actually pretty simple. So first of all, you have to make sure you have installed Snapchat on your iPhone if you haven't already. So I've already done that, so I'm just gonna open up Snapchat on my iPhone. Alright guys, so once you have opened Snapchat on your iPhone, just log in into your account if you haven't already. Alright guys, so once you have logged into your Snapchat account, you should be redirected to this screen. So all you have to do is just click on the plus icon in the right menu of the Snapchat application. It should be below the camera icon like this. So just click on it and it should bring up this menu, and then just click on director mode, and here you can just click on record and it will record, and then you can record once again. And this is how you send multiple snaps on Snapchat on iPhone. So if you found this video to be helpful, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.